If you're not getting any sound on your TV, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this. All right, so right now we do have this thing connected with an HDMI cable right there going on to the back of the TV. You're gonna wanna go right here to the home screen on your PC. All right, and I'm using the latest version of Windows. Right here on search, you're gonna go ahead and type in sound. Okay, when you punch in sound over here on the side, you're gonna wanna go to manage output sound devices, right there. Okay, and then you'll get to this screen right here. And if you notice, the speakers currently are the default speakers on the laptop. Okay, so when you click on it, you'll see that there's nothing else that shows up. It says pair an output device. Usually your TV will show up there, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is click on add device. All right, and then this menu comes up here. And what you're gonna wanna do is go to that second one. It says wireless display or dock. Even though this is not wireless and we have it wired with an HDMI cable, it still will show up when you click on it. So watch this. There we go. It's this Roku QLED TV is what I have hooked up with my HDMI cable. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. And now it's connecting. Okay, so it's on there now. It is connected because I clicked on that. And then we'll just show you guys. Okay, I just opened up something here on YouTube just to show you guys to get some sound. And then we'll go ahead and play it. There we go. And now it's playing on the TV. Okay, now that's how you get the sound from your laptop on your TV using an HDMI cable.